Welcome to Listaso. Have you ever stopped to wonder how much time, money, and resources you're wasting managing your sales, warehouse, and delivery teams manually? There has to be a better way, and you just found it. So stick around and we'll show you how our system can help your business get to the next level. Let's get started. My name's Alfred, and today we're going to talk about automation. And this is how your business is going to grow from a business that still uses paper, that takes a very long time to go from one customer to another, that still uses picking sheets on the warehouse to pick orders, and somebody has to go all the way to the warehouse like we talked about before, and then having somebody else having to modify that invoice in your system to go into a next generation business that manages everything online, everything is cloud-based, and nobody's using paper anymore. A recent study from the ISG found that automating your supply chain resulted in a 43% reduction of all your resources, mainly billing, credits, payments, and your overall sales. Automating your supply chain brings 3 key benefits to your business. Raising your customer experience, increasing operational efficiency, improving your inventory management. Number 1, raising your customer experience. Customers evolve the same way as technology. They become more demanding as time goes on, meaning they want things faster. And they want things to be perfect 100% of the time. So think about how many times your order has not gone through your customer in time because there was a mistake in the warehouse. Or how much product you're actually wasting because you had to deliver it to the customer just to find out that that was not exactly what he ordered. Or there were changes that you needed to make and the sales rep just forgot because he didn't have any other way to communicate it to the warehouse. So you need to make sure that your customers are satisfied. One of the best ways to grow your business is by word of mouth. If a customer is happy, he's more likely to tell others that he's happy with you and not somebody else. So you need to make sure that all your customers are 100% satisfied. And that is only going to be achieved by eliminating paperwork in both your sales department and your warehouse. Point number 2, increasing operational efficiency. You need to make sure that your sales reps are doing everything they can with their time while they're out on the road. And how do you achieve this? By having a system that you can control them a lot better and a lot faster in real time. With Listaso, you can make sure that your sales reps are actually visiting each of the customers that they're supposed to with specific routes that you can create. That they're actually visiting, and when they cannot sell to a customer, that they were actually with the customer at that time with GPS captures. All of these tools allow you to have more control over your sales team. But not only that, the same goes for your warehouse. How much time is each picker taking with an order? Are they actually delivering and loading up the truck with the inventory and the products that your customer requires? All of this information is really hard to come by when you're just using paper. Going through paperwork takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of energy. So you need to make sure that you have a system that helps you grow your business, that helps you come in the morning and go out before the sun goes down, to have more time with your family and to think about the future. And point number 3, improving your inventory management. I've said this a lot throughout the video, but your warehouse is one of the most important, if not the most important part of your business. This is what makes or breaks companies. You need to know how much inventory you have in stock. You need to know what's next to go bad. If there was product damaged, you need to know how much inventory or how much product is coming in from vendors, when you have to order it, to make sure that you can supply all your customers. Your inventory is what makes you be more profitable, or is just going to be a waste of money. So make sure that you stop using paper in the warehouse to do your physical inventory, to receive products from vendors, and to picking. Move inventory from one warehouse to another, loading your trucks. All of these things can be automated. So those three key elements, customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and your inventory management, are going to take your business from an old-fashioned paperwork business to a next generation online business. So make sure that if you like the video, comment below and subscribe to our channel. On the description below, you'll find the link to our website so you can go ahead and schedule a demo, and we can show you all the ways Listaso can help your business keep growing. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.